Good morning to all. Myself Aman Sharma, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management Department at RPIT Campus Karnal. Today we will discuss costing a recipe. First of all, we will discuss why cost a recipe. To know the cost of recipe before it is made, calculate the cost of ingredient used, not the ingredient purchased. Compare the difference in cost of changing ingredients in a recipe on the total cost. Calculate the cost per portion. Amount purchased versus amount used. The amount of an ingredient purchased will be most likely by different to the amount that is required by a recipe. For example, butter is purchased in 250-gram block, but the recipe may only need 50 grams of butter. Milk is sold in liters, but the recipe may only need 100 ml milk. Apples may be sold in bags of 6, but the recipe may only need 2. Therefore, there is a difference in the cost of ingredient purchased compared to the cost of ingredient used by a recipe. Step 1. Create a costing chart. Create a costing chart or use a template. The chart will need the following headings: ingredient name, cost of quantity purchased in rupees, quantity purchased, quantity needed in recipe, cost of ingredient used in recipe in rupees. Step 2. Find out the cost. Find out the cost of the ingredients. This might be through looking at the recipe or by using one of the following websites. There are some consideration. The cost of ingredient may be different in supermarket, local shops, farm stores and markets. Brands of the same ingredient may have different cost. In addition, cost can change during the year, for example due to season, demand, crop failure. Step 3. Add in ingredients detail. Add the detail to the chart: ingredient name, cost of amount purchased, quantity purchased, grams, liter and units, quantity needed in recipe, gram, liters and unit. Step 4. Calculate cost of purchase. Calculate the cost of purchasing all the ingredient. Add up the cost of quantity purchased column. This is the total amount spent on the ingredient but not what is used in the recipe. Step 5. Calculate the cost of ingredient used. To calculate the cost of ingredient used for each ingredient, divide the cost of quantity purchased by the quantity purchased, then multiply by quantity needed in recipe. For example, if we purchase 250 grams of butter in 150 rupees, then we can divide 250 gram by 150 and multiply by 25 gram. The result of 15 rupees is the cost of ingredient in the recipe. Calculate the cost of ingredient used. Finally, add up the cost of ingredient used in recipe column. This will give the total for the recipe. In this example, it is rupees 49. Calculate the cost per serving. The cost per serving is calculated by dividing the total cost of the cost of ingredient used in the recipe by the number of serving. For example, if the recipe served 3 people, then rupees 49 is divided by 3 it is 16 rupees 33 paisa for each per portion price. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics. Thank you.